Little squirrel right there. This is the first episode of attempted squirrel hunting. We got a squirrel right here. I'm not sure if it has rabies or not. It's eating a nut. Just let it chill out for a minute. And fucking grab it. Try to feed it a nut. Here. Get another one. And pounce on it. Probably not going to attempt to catch it in any way, shape, or form. But we're going to do this. We're going to do this here. Oh, little squirrel. There he goes, my little friend. Oh, that was exhilarating. All right. Hope you had fun. I did. I shoot it. There he is. There he is. My little friend. Like I said, hope you had fun. I sure as hell did. And till next time.